Charles Tusime omukulu w'ebyamagalo mu Kyenjojo nagira ngu Akakooko ka sirimu mu bantu bakulu mu Kyenjojo keyongiire ekirikuleetera n'abaana bakiine bayeyonjera.
Omu district ya Kyenjojo twine prevalence y'omwerero erukucweka 7.4 ha 100 kandi tukizire muno kuzonzora abantu abakulu abanyakwine oburwaire buno. Tulikyena gapu eno kuzonzora abaana abanyakwine oburwaire bw'omwerero.
Tusime nagira ngu abaana obucweka 53 nibo bari aha mibazi. Embeera egi niyo etumire ebitongole bitari bya gavumenti ebirikurwanisa Akakooko ka sirimu okwimukiramu hamwe n'abeebembezi ba Kyenjojo okugira eki bakora.
Twakazonzora obucweka nga 53 ha 100 hali abo batukunira kuba bali batunga omubazi gw'omwerero kandi habucweka 7.4 ha 100 district ya Kyenjojo ntunira abantu nk'emitwalo 2.3 kuba batunga omubazi betatu twine abantu emitwalo 2.1.
The second thing is we want to put them on treatment. We know treatment when used properly works. I know it as a doctor. And also as a person living with HIV, if you saw me in 1999 when I had cancer, TB and meningitis, you knew I was going to die.
Ekitongole kya Joy for Children hamwe na Uganda Positives niho biziire n'enkola y'okuronda bamaama abato okuruga ha myaka 10 okuza mu myaka 24 abarikutuba n'Akakooko ka sirimu.
Mainly to address the problems of adolescent motherhood. And how are we going to do this? We shall train 20 community health workers and health workers on parenting. And these will reach out to young mothers with HIV in the different communities or villages that are selected.
As your operations are concerned in Kyenjojo, we welcome you because all the targets are looking at ending HIV/AIDS by 2030. It shouldn't be a public health threat.
Gashoka Daniel Bingana.